Hey, I'm out here at Kent, Ohio. Awesome house, 780 Akron Boulevard in Kent, Ohio. This is a duplex. Has two separate driveways here, so it's really nice. The home is, this one just got done. He put some new flooring in, shampooed the carpets, did the new paint, all that. I mean, it looks very, very good here. So let's go through it here. It's a large property. It has a living room, dining room. And the other side is just like this one. It has a tenant paying $850 a month. So you can see the new flooring. It has a one-car garage with it also. So you can see they have plenty of storage, everything in here. He has a few more things he's going to be doing to it, but it's just a nice house. These places go very quickly. And like I said, the neighbor's paying $850 a month, so you can be at, and that's a month to month. So if you want to raise the rent, you can. It has a nice kitchen, all new flooring, dishwasher. Has a little half bath. He's putting a new toilet here and a sink, so this will be in here, but they just put the new flooring and everything in. But there is a half bath by the kitchen downstairs. Now the upstairs, let's go upstairs, but again, you get their living room here. Nice. You got a nice entryway. Go upstairs. So you have this bathroom, full bathroom upstairs where the bedrooms are. And you have 3 bedrooms upstairs, so it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And again, it's really laid out well. Private, quiet, very nice community area. There's shopping close by. And just a unique property, separate driveways, especially in a, you can see that the bedrooms are all good sized. So tenants will have no problem if they have kids. Laundry chute. These houses do have a basement, separate basements, not one, separate. So let's go down here. Let me show you the basement. You can put window air conditioners in this if you want. So let's go down here. He repainted and dry locked the basement. Has a newer furnace in here also, so you can see that. So you see it's a very nice big basement. So if you want to add bedroom down here or whatever, you can make this actually a 4-bedroom, and all the plumbing's here for a bathroom too. The laundry's right over there. It's just a huge basement. And you have a carrier heater here, or excuse me, a train. It's newer. And so is the water heater. You do have a federated electrical box here, but it works great. So if you're looking for a duplex, an investment property, Kent, Ohio, one of the really good areas, call me. I'm Brett with EXP Realty. Again, 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Thanks, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Rare find.